Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily mute and unmute someone's notes, posts and stories on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram. Then just open up someone's profile for which you want to block notifications about posts, stories and notes. I'm just gonna hit add following, then I'm gonna select my another account, and right now all you have to do on someone's profile is just hit right here at following, and then you can easily find that mute feature. I can tap on that. As you can see, notes for that account is currently muted, and in any time you can correct that options. You can enable them or disable them in any way that you want. If you want to mute posts, you can enable posts. If you want to mute stories, you can toggle on stories, and the same about notes. And also in that simple way you can unmute all that types of content just by simply toggling off that switchers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.